few days ago, I posted on the community section of my YouTube page that I was so inspired by that video. This is Colleen at Our Blessed Life. Look at the after of her laundry room. How gorgeous is that? I was so inspired. Colleen inspired me to do something about mine. I've said this before, but I just don't like my laundry room. It's unfinished. We've started a sinking fund this year to save up some money to finish the laundry room properly. I have no idea what's on these top shelves here. This is where I keep dirty microfiber towels. That also, no idea what's up in there. The utility sink is very utility. There's something stuck on the wall from when we moved in. So, I'm just gonna caffeinate here and going to give my laundry room a facelift. This is not my first cup of coffee today, obviously. My cup is so dirty. Okay, so when you walk from my kitchen down the steps, we could probably do with a hamper somewhere in the house because we just throw it down the steps and then I just gather it each day at the bottom of the basement steps. That's not great. So first thing I'm going to do is repurpose the bins that I had on our IKEA cowlick shelf upstairs. I'm going to reuse those so that there's some uniformity to the look on the shelves. I wanted to do something about this laundry room because it is a daily room for me. I'm in here all the time and I wanted to give it a little bit of a facelift. This is not a makeover. We have to save the money up to do a proper makeover. But there's stuff in here that I don't know what it is. So it doesn't belong in here. I want to walk in this room and feel happy. This declutter, I just wanted to clean it up a bit and really make sure that everything that was in here is related to the laundry. All of this stuff in this basket is for a dog we no longer have. She passed away a year ago. So I am disposing of her medication. I'm cleaning up some of her stuff, and that's all that's left there in this basket. This particular cup of coffee was so delicious. I changed K-Cups back to my Dunkin'. I treated myself to a box of K-Cups, Dunkin' K-Cups, and they're just so delicious. So I found some manuals for the washer and dryer. I need to put those in my paper file now that I got through paper declutter. The basket that I'm putting in here is my husband's stuff for him to deal with. I'm just going to stick it in the downstairs bathroom / closet, deal with it another time. So I'm just positioning everything here where I want it to go, lining it up, and I was trying to get a feel for how I wanted it to look when I walked in the room. Now this, I don't know what happened. The bottom of it seems to have exploded or something. I don't know. Just gonna figure out the right way to throw away chemicals. So I've got a bunch of stuff for trash on the side, the dog's medicine and the cleaner stuff to figure out how to properly dispose. Here I'm just going to put my manuals in my manuals section. The functionality and the appearance of this room kind of throw me off a little bit. I don't have the right storage and organization going on currently for my laundry room for the categories that I need, like towels, microfiber towels, dirty clothes, sheets, blankets, all that stuff. I'd like everything to have a place to feel a little bit more organized in this laundry room. I had these little white clips left over from our homeschool supplies. They fit a smaller framed basket, but I just forced them onto these baskets to make them work and use what I had already. So that's why I'm just pounding these things on, and then I'll just rewrite as I need to on there. I wanted this basket on top just to bring the look together on these 3 shelves, but there's nothing in this basket. And then I realized I still had some things on top of the dryer. I had some miscellaneous socks that need to find their matches or go in the trash. This, of course, is a superhero armband, and the mesh bags that I use to now wash socks or delicates in there. So now it's set up with a couple of things and it'll live on the top shelf because it's a less frequently used basket. Recaffeinate. Okay, so I went to Target. I had a $25 gift card that I've been hanging on to for months, and finally decided to use it. So I bought these laundry baskets, utility baskets. They were on sale and I got 2 of them so the look would match each other on the washer and dryer. And then I also got 2 matching hampers in that style. The total bill was $30.58. I had a $25 gift card. So I had to shell out $5.58 for my laundry room facelift here. But I really like these bags. I used them quite a bit today, and I like being able to carry it with the long straps rather than trying to use 2 hands to try to negotiate a bigger basket. So I dedicated 1 hamper to towels in my laundry room, and I put the other hamper here at the top of our stairs because that's mainly where laundry builds up. As you can see, we have a tendency to just either throw it at the top of the stairs or at the bottom of the basement stairs. So this is the final look, how it came out. Again, it's a facelift. It's not a true makeover. It's not how I want the end result to look like, but it is organization, and it's a system now, a little bit easier for me to get through. I have all my materials. I like walking into the room. It looks good. So it's pretty, it's more functional, and it's organized, which is where I want to be. So my process is to have the dry, dirty towels, microfiber and bath in there. This is my dirty clothes basket above the washer and my clean folded clothes basket above the dryer. So then over here, I just have supplies situated in the basket. These are things that we need in the laundry room. Back here is our little coin saver from things I find in pockets. I feel like this facelift will get me through until we have enough money saved up to properly redo the laundry room. But give me a thumbs up down below if you like this video. Thank you for watching.